power this world.
What a beautiful morning. Good morning, Ingo.
Hi! Good morning, Karen! Gutom ka na? Ha? Ito, yan. Yan. Sariwa yan.
Are you okay, Ingo? You seem ham-handed. Whoa.
Ham! Damo to eh! Ikaw tulog ka paano?
Ingo, when I say you're ham-handed, I mean to say that you're clumsy. Look at you. Look at this. Ooh. Slay the dragon, Ingo.
Dragon, where? Where?
No, it's just an idiomatic expression. Come on out, I'll explain it to you. Come. Okay, now, the dragon is like your fear. So when I say slay the dragon, I mean to overcome your fear.
Labo naman nun.
An idiom is an expression. You have to understand the words as a whole and not word for word.
You mean I cannot understand the meaning from each word?
Exactly. You have to join the words together to express a thought.
Then, I have a really big dragon to beat.
Ooh, Ingo. Look, there she is again. Hi, Ingo.
Ano pang hinihintay nyo dyan? Delikado dyan!
What are you doing under the table, Ingo? It's just thunder and lightning.
Woo! It's just another one of your idiomatic expressions. I still don't understand how it works.
Because every word in the expression, it's going to rain cats and dogs, means something. But by
putting together the meaning of the words?
you can understand the expression.
And you also mentioned something about thunder and lightning.
Context clues.
I get it. You mean to tell me I can get the meaning of an idiom from the other words or sentences?
Right again, Ingo, from context clues. You remember. Good for you.
So, when you tell me it's going to rain cats and dogs, you mean heavy rain.
Right.
But, may problema pa rin.
What now?
Cats and dogs. It's like a sign.
Oh, no, it's not.
It's like something is stopping me from approaching her.
Oh, you're being superstitious, Ingo. Flowers. Go. Umbrella. Now, take these. Come on. Slay the dragon, Ingo. Bring home the bacon.
Bacon? I'm not going to the market.
Idiomatic. Bring home the bacon means to win her over.
Idiomatic expression. Got it.
Go! Now go! 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 Which means to do your best. Idiomatic expressions. Go! Go! Now, where could he be?
Well, you said bring home the bacon. Maybe he went to the market.
That was just an idiom.
Konti lang kasi ang alam kong idiom eh. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng bring home the bacon?
Bring home the bacon means when he comes home, he has done what he has set out to do.
Nakakalito rin pala minsan ng mga idiom, no?
Kasi, naiisip kagad natin yung ibig sabihin ng bawat salita.
Yes, like I said earlier, it's an expression. You have to understand it as a whole, not word for word.
Karen! Karen! I did it! I did it!
What did you do?
Nakausap ko na siya!
Really? See?
Ang dali lang pala. Akala ko isa lang siyang panaginip. Tapos, nung nakita ko siya, bigla akong hinimatay. Tapos, nung nagkamalay ako, biglang nakita ko, andun pa rin siya. Sana ito na ang umpisa ng aming napakagandang pagkakaibigan.
Uy! Nadagdagan na naman ang mga kaibigan ni Ingo.
Nadagdagan din ang idiomatic expressions na alam natin.
Now that's really great.
Slaying the dragon has made me really hungry. I could eat a whole carabao. A cow. A chicken. A horse. Flowers. Tapos ang ganda-ganda niya, ang bango-bango. Tapos nung nakita ko siya, sabi sa akin,
Karen's World.